Hey, and welcome back to another video. So just a quick unboxing video on this iPhone 14 Pro. Now this is the 128 gig model, and it's just the standard iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple, as they call it. That's the color right there. I don't know if you can really see it. I'm using artificial lighting here. I came home after work. I didn't really have time to come home right away and then start this video. It was getting dark anyway, so sorry about the artificial lighting, but that is the color. They call it deep purple, and this is the 128 gig model, and we'll go ahead and unbox this thing and turn it on and all that good stuff. So let's jump right in. So as always, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion, or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into this unboxing video. So this thing being the 14 Pro and not the Pro Max, it starts at $999 US dollars, $999. 14 Pro, deep purple. This has a display size of 6.1 inches. Let's have a quick go around of the box. And then, by the way, if you want all the details, you can go on Apple's website or gsmarina.com and look at all the specs. I'm not going to get into all the details here. We have the island-like thing over there, forgot what Apple calls it. I'll put it up here. Kind of not being in touch with all things Apple recently because I've been pretty busy. But yeah, iPhone 14 Pro. This is the front of the box. The usual. It has a bump to it. It has texture to it. The phone is a bit. The picture of the phone is a bit raised. That's what the phone looks like. This side says iPhone. Says iPhone again. Apple logo. Apple logo. And these all are color coded to the color of the phone. It's somewhat accurate to the color of the phone. Of course, the phone is more vibrant. Back here we have iPhone 14 Pro, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, a bunch of other information. I've covered up the serial number and all that stuff. Let's go ahead and pull these tabs. And now there's the phone itself in all its glory. That deep purple looks really, really nice. Let's pull it off and put it to a side for now and see what else is in the box. Well, of course, if you watched Apple unboxing videos for the last, 5 years, you already know what's in the box. We have your lightning cable over here. Probably the last lightning cable as far as Europe goes, because they're being forced to switch to full USB-C. So this one's lightning to USB-C. In Europe, they're going to be USB-C to USB-C, because I think they brought a new law or something. Oops, I hit the table. Designed by Apple in California. Stop shaking. Okay, there we go. Designed by Apple in California. Pull this out. And we have your information stuff. You no longer need a physical SIM card, blah, 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 eSIM, iPhone setup, blah, 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 iPhone, easy handling, blah, 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 and of course a single Apple sticker. Let's go ahead and put this in here. Then put this to a side here. And of course that's all in the box, no charger. And let's take a look at the main event here, which is the iPhone 14 Pro. So let's look at this thing in all its beauty. It's really shiny. That's probably the last time it'll be this shiny after it's been used. Of course, it's going in a case. Don't want to damage this thing. This is the actual color of the phone. Like I said, it's more shiny, more vibrant. Moving on to the bottom. Well, actually, let's take this off. There we go. That is the display. That's the side of the phone. We have your volume rockers and the switch over there, the mute switch. This may be going away in the iPhone 15 as far as rumors go. It might be just switching to a button. So we'll see when that comes around. Top of the phone. This side we have the 5G antenna over there, only in US models. Other international models don't have that window-like thing as far as I know. power button over there. You have your bands over there, lightning connector over there, screws, microphone and speaker. And back of the phone, you have your camera set up here, your LiDAR and your flash, microphone, Apple logo, really nice and shiny. Let's turn this thing on. And there we go. So I'm not gonna set this thing up right now because this phone is not for me. This phone is for my dad, and I still haven't made him an Apple account yet because this is his first iPhone. So I'll do that when he gets here, teach him the whole process and all that stuff. But yeah, this is as far as we'll go. This is your hello screen, your whole setup screen. You know this stuff. And there's the island-like thing in all its glory. So yeah, this was a quick unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple here in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual, if you did, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also don't forget to leave a question or comment down below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.